Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can see Spotify's Wrapped in 2023, and it's pretty simple. So if you have updated your Spotify to the latest version, make sure it's on the latest version. In the older version it might not work. So if you update your Spotify to the latest version and open Spotify, you will be able to see Wrapped. So as you guys can see, after I open Spotify, at the top right corner you can see the Wrapped option. If I click on it, my 2023 Wrapped is going to be shown. Now, what is Wrapped? For those people who do not know what Wrapped is, you have listened to so many music in Spotify. So Wrapped basically shows you the most listened music, the music which you listen the most time within the year, and what are like your top music pick, the top artist you listen to. That is basically what Wrapped is. Once you click on Wrapped, there are multiple Wraps. Your Wrapped, your top songs, merge for you. What you want to do is click on your Wrapped. Once you click on your Wrapped, it's going to show you your Wrapped just like this. So it's going to look just like a story, but you just need to click and check it out, and you will be able to see your Wrapped on Spotify. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time. So right now it says we don't have Wrapped this year. Now the reason I don't have Wrapped this year is because I haven't used my Spotify much. I haven't listened to much music on Spotify. That's why it's showing this. So if you guys also haven't listened to like a lot of music on Spotify, it's going to show you this. So I hope you understand what this problem is. But I still have my top songs Wrapped over here, as you guys can see. So yeah,